1 light, 2 lights, 3 lights, 4 lights, 5 lights, and it's go, 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 go!
Holy fuck! That was diabolical!
For the season, and we are seeing prediction of thunderstorms. So, look, we don't have a problem until those two things combine and affect lots of people in one spot. So, but we don't have a problem if everybody responds to the warning, takes the action that they should, stays inside when these things are likely to occur, and manages their asthma, follows their asthma action plan.
Over the asthma action plan. How long does the pollen threat usually last? It starts to ease into November, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Look, I think sort of rule of
Fuck!
thumb is into November, even
Jesus Christ!
Where we're really comfortable to sort of lower our gaze and look towards the next season.
Sorry, I don't understand that. So does it ease in November or December?
So what do we do now?
Oh, look, stay vigilant till the end.
Naughty, naughty!
Wow. I start to feel really old.
Yeah.
Wow. Sometimes like me and
Getting a bit dated. Although, admittedly, some of his programs. Wow, lock the video.
What is it?
Oh, God, straight through a red light.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto Pickle Street.
What the fuck are you doing? Lock the video. Fucking fuck it. One for you, Scotty. Fucking A.
Turn left onto Gardenvale Road, then your destination will be on the left.
Fucking hell are you doing, you muppet?
Footloose and fancy free.
Getting there is half the fun. Come share it with me.
Lock the video.
time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Come on, dickhead. Hey. Let's go. Hurry up. Oh, fuck. What are you doing? Get off your phone. Fucking hell.
Are you fucking blind? Reject?
Dick. Stop it!
Yeah, which side of the road do you want? Straight through red light.
Shit. Pull over.
Whose fucking bit of car is that? We got one!
I lost me driver's license last week. Was doing doughies with the boys. I cranked me woofers past the funeral. Copped a fine for too much noise. Doing manies all through the suburbs. I'm a bloody legend, I know. Then I did a burnout in Macca's drive-thru. Saw some chicks, so I whistled at them. I guess they mustn't have seen. So I chucked a Yui and tried it again. Yeah, today I sped through the suburbs. Next minute I heard the sound. Me burnout wasn't perfect, I can do a better one in me Ford.
Whoa, shoot emergency video.
Start recording emergency video.
We had no idea what we were doing in all reality. And one of the things we thought we were going to do was
Fuck
run
me,
the
really?
on it. But once we
Shoot emergency video.
Last night, I'm feeling a bit adventurous this week, and I was struggling to get this to sleep, so I crossed my arms and I was like, oh cool, this is work.
Fuck me.
I want to see if we can get a picture. Of what? What's right behind us?
I don't know. Oh yeah, yeah.
Can you say it?
Lock the video.